Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been following this Wix tutorial series, you know we're breaking things down step by step, and today is part 2, where I'll show you exactly how to filter table data in Wix, all without writing a single line of code. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up a filter so visitors can easily sort through your site and view exactly what they want, making your site not just good-looking, but super functional. Let's jump right into the process. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix website editor. If you're not already there, go ahead and do that now. Arrive at your web design dashboard, where all the magic happens. Once you're on the page where you want your table to appear, look for the option to add a new element. You'll want to add a table from the available options. It's usually under the Add menu, then Table, or sometimes listed as Repeater or Data Table, depending on your Wix version. Just drag and drop it onto your page. Don't stress about the layout just yet. You can move and resize the table at any time. With your table placed, the next crucial step is to connect it to your CMS dataset. This is where you tell Wix what content you want the table to display. Think of the CMS dataset like a giant spreadsheet holding all your site's data neatly organized. To link them, click your table, look for the little Connect to Data button, and select your dataset. This could be your product catalog, blog articles, or in our example today, we're going to use a brand dataset. By connecting here, you're giving the table a source of information, and from now on, any updates in your brand data will instantly reflect in this table. It's super handy for keeping everything up to date without repetitive work. Now, let's make this table interactive so users can actually filter the data. Go back to the Add menu and search for Input Elements. Since we want people to choose a filter, we'll use a drop-down menu. Go ahead and grab an input drop-down and drag it above or beside your table, wherever it feels natural on your page. Once you've placed the dropdown, click on it, and you'll see an option to select a template. Wix offers a couple default designs. Pick whichever suits your site's look. Don't overthink this part. It's easy to change later if you want to tweak the style. Just like the table, we need to connect this dropdown to the same CMS dataset so the filtering works seamlessly. With the dropdown selected, hit the Connect to Data button again. This time, set it to Filter option and make sure it's using the brand label or whichever field you want to filter by. What this does is simple. When someone picks a brand from the dropdown, only the rows in your table matching that brand will show up. Imagine you're at a sneaker store. You only want to see shoes from a specific brand. The dropdown acts like your store filter, showing you just what you're searching for. Once you've set up the filter connection, it's a good idea to test everything out. Hit the Preview button at the top right of the Wix editor. This lets you interact with your site as a visitor would. Try selecting a brand from the dropdown. Watch how the table updates instantly to show just the relevant rows. If it doesn't look quite right, double-check that you've connected both elements to the same dataset and are filtering by the correct field. Don't worry if something doesn't work the first time. It's totally normal to tweak a few things as you go. That's really all there is to it. You've just learned how to add a table, hook it up to your CMS data, and filter it using an interactive dropdown, all without a single line of code. If this helped you out, please give this video a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Drop any questions you have in the comments below. I'm always happy to help troubleshoot or explain things further. And if you want more step-by-step Wix tutorials, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next part in this series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.